Hey there, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. And in this lecture, let us discuss the homework that I discussed in the previous lecture, which is about stream platform detail. And I hope you have created this get, put as well as delete, and make sure you have added them in the urls.py. Now if I jump onto my API part, here you can see I can access to any individual element. So this is going to be my stream list, and if I want to access one, I can do that. Now the other thing is about naming. So if you jump here, you can see I have added this AV with my class name, again AV, and you don't need to do that. Here I'm creating a course, so I'm trying to keep names as simple as possible so you can refer them later through code part. Maybe you are accessing this code file on GitHub after completing this course, or maybe while revision. So I strongly recommend you can use any type of name, but this is the format that I am following. I hope you are not getting confused with these names. That's done. Let me check this quick part. So let me try to update this one. So this is Netflix, and let me try to have updated. Let me remove this ID. Send this put content. Yep, this is updated. So that means our stream platform detail class is working fine. The other thing we need to talk about is how to create relationship. So there are three types of relationship that we can create between different models. So if I jump here, this is our current model, and we are adding this watch list. I also need to update my URL. So this is my current API, which is under app. Let me jump into watchmate, and here I have this URL. Instead of movie, I'm going to call it as watch and save. So now my URL will be watch stream 1, and if I need to get my list, I'm going to get through list. I hope you got the idea. We usually confuse ourselves with movie, but here we can add movie, TV show, podcast, or anything else. So this is going to work fine. Now I need to create connection between them. That means if I add a movie, I should have option to add maybe this movie is available on Netflix, or maybe Prime, or maybe none. So I should have option to do that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about three relationship method in Django, which is one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. If you want to get more information about it, I strongly recommend just jump onto Google and search about Django relationship. Just get here. Okay, this is many-to-many. So if I select this one, yeah, here I have many-to-many, many-to-one, and one-to-one. Now I hope you already have idea about them. If not, let us discuss. So the first thing is this one-to-one. If I open the example, now one-to-one mainly refer when we have one single object which can be tied up with the other single object. So that means if I take this place as well as restaurant example, we have one single restaurant. This particular restaurant can be available only at one position. I'm not talking about branch, I'm not talking about the name, but if I talk about an individual restaurant, it can be available at one position only, one place only. So if I talk about maybe Burger King, and the address of Burger King is maybe 106, so that means this 106, which is place, can have only one Burger King, because you can see one location can have one particular address, can have only one restaurant, and same follows with one restaurant can have only one location. I hope you got the idea. I'm talking about particular element. One element can have one location, and that's how this relationship is created. This is one-to-one, and this is the field name that we are going to use. Then we have many-to-one, and this is the most popular one, like our Netflix as well as this movie example here that we are taking. So Netflix can have many movies, but one movie can have only one streaming platform as per the contract or as per our requirement. So if you jump here, this is one good example, which is reporter and article, and if you read about it, Here you can see we have connected. So one article can have only one reporter, but reporter can have multiple articles. This is going to be many to one. The other one is many to many, and this one is also common, and we are going to utilize this through adding a new model in future. We'll be creating this many to many relationship. So this is a good example about publication as an article. One article can be published on many publication, and one publication can have many articles. This is quite common. Article can be published into many publication, and a publication can have multiple articles. I strongly recommend, if you don't have idea, I recommend to read about this. This is more of a Django thing and not the Django race framework thing. Just make sure you have idea about this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this relationship. And here I need to update my models. Before that, let me jump onto database and delete all these movies. Otherwise, I'm going to mess with default values. Also, I'm going to just do well with my streaming platform as well. So I've deleted all the content from both. Jump here, stop my server. That's done also. So I'm going to create relationship here. Here I'm going to use name as platform, and I'm going to create a foreign key. I'm going to pass streaming platform. So that means one movie, one watch show, one web series can have only one platform. So if I say if this is a video, this video is currently available on YouTube itself. So we are only passing one platform, but YouTube can have multiple videos. I hope you got the idea. So this is our streaming platform. Then on delete, that means if I delete this YouTube, all the videos from this watch list should be deleted. So this should be done. I need to pass cascade, and also I need to pass the related name, and that should be watch list itself. Now here what this related name is, when we work with in our reverse pattern, so when we talk about here, if I get information about my Netflix, it will show all the movies in this watch list itself. We'll be talking about this in a while, but I hope you got the idea what this related name is. Otherwise, we will see this in practical manner. So that's it. We have created this relationship. We need to do migration again as well as migrate again. Let me jump here, do Python manage.py, make migrations. Again, I need to select this one, and here I need to pass value as none. I have added this watch list. Now currently we have a database, that is why we are getting a warning, and you just need to pass none for default value. Now here I am going to migrate them. All the changes are applied, and I am going to run my server. Things are looking fine. Let me jump here, refresh my admin section, go to my watch list, add watch list, and here I should get all the options regarding my platform. So on my streaming platform, I can add maybe none, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and all the other one. So I can manage here. But the thing is, I need to manage my serializer. We haven't created any contact with both of them. This foreign key is not a normal field. We need to create some relationship between them. So in the next lecture, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to talk about nested serializer. But before that, let me add some sample values through my admin panel itself. So in my streaming platform, let me add none. Okay, this is a required field, so I'm going to give example.com. Let me add Netflix. And let me add Prime. Okay, now if I jump onto my watch list, jump here, and here let me use Python 3.9, something as storyline, select this as Netflix, save. So this is our first movie, and Chase the Growth, this is our second movie, and it's available on Prime Videos. Let me save this one. So currently we have these two movies. The thing is, they are connected. That means this platform is connected with this movie. But if I try to access it here, you can see I just get information that is it's a platform 4 or platform 5. And if I jump onto my platform information, that means if I copy this one, jump here, watch, and here if I use my stream platform, the exact URL was platform maybe 4 or 5. Yeah. So here I don't get options regarding which movie is connected to this platform right now. And also here I need the platform name. So in the next lecture, let us discuss about this, how to add a custom field, how to create nested serializer, so we can add a custom field and get all the information. I hope this lecture was helpful, and now you understand about how to create relationship inside our models and how to grow our model basically. Thank you for following, and I see you guys in the next one.